Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Third and Fourth Dimension Entwined. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. July 15, 2019. The first half of July 2019 has been trying days for light workers, including myself, in terms of correlating the effects of daytime and nighttime, or the relation of dream state to third-dimensional world we live in. 4D feeds on the energies of 3D beings. During sleeping moments and deep meditation, or the theta state, the third-dimensional world pulls me down to happenings made reality, which are whimsical and far-crossed to reality, making mind-body-spirit, MBS, cross-eyed, dizzy, and out of this world when I wake up. I cannot imagine my feelings of being dazed, hazy, and not living in logical world which I have known since birth, that is science and the educational system we have known. Is this real third world, or what should we call it? We are still being pulled down by beings at the 4THD who bleed us at a time when Source is providing us all the energies desired to put us to the path of ascension, or what we term as harnessing the energies of the fifth dimension embedded within us. But don't get messed up, as when you are fully aware, you know within yourself that negative things that happen are creations of us humanity, and just realization of this truth will make you stronger than any being in the universe. You are an infinite creator. No one can control you against your will if you do not want nor desire a situation that you disagree. You make your world, form your physical environment, not subject to time and space, as you are a fragment of Source. That is what you really are, and it is about time to join the collective consciousness of awakened human beings to lift and shift us to the fifth dimension, or even the seventh dimension creation frequency, as the fifth dimension is being pursued by negatives, a dense and oppressive realm not connected to light. Let us all seek the realms of divine mind, wisdom, pure love. The third and fourth dimension are so entwined, and we are being diverted even by our earthen vessels and the negatives to hold us up in this dire straits. Love and Light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author. Angel teaches love, light, and field of unity consciousness, assist with capitalists' funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates in Southeast Asia, Middle East, and organized corporations that create jobs. Oneness and food in the stomach make us think of truth. Link at ornedoja@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Sleebreeze, and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator, or ebooks and articles at the net. Love, Light, and Unity. I will not dwell on the constituents of the fourth dimensional frequency reality, only to say that it is a dense and oppressive realm, and it contains only entities who, as the Elohim described to me today, have lost touch with the God Source. In fact, I haven't been one to dwell on this issue, preferring instead to share the brighter aspects of ascension. But after my personal encounter in dream state, and then receiving unsolicited confirmations of the effect of the 4D on our 3D reality, I know it is important. All confirmations have been perfectly timed, coming one after the other like clockwork, drawing attention to this discussion, and as there are no coincidences, I know I am supposed to write about this, I know we are to address it. I am having new memories of past lives in Lemuria and Atlantis that remind me of the lost worlds where ascension had failed. It was always too little, too late. In meditation with the Elohim today, I asked why this was being shown to me, now, after having been connecting with me for many years. The answer was that now is the time for a new approach. It is time for the light bearers to move into position. It is a call to consciousness. The distractions are enormous, and we must prevail by lifting up and out of our current level of conscious awareness, into the realms of divine wisdom, divine love, and the knowing of what God's Source wills for us.